Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. Chapter number 3, rotation and revolution. It's for class 5th, part 3. In previous part, we have completed rotation and revolution. What is rotation? Rotation, it refers to as the earth. It's the earth here. The earth rotates on its axis. The earth rotates on its axis is known as rotation. Then when one orbit is completed, the earth rotates on its axis. When one round or one orbit completed, so its own axis, it has taken the time 24 hours. In that 24 hours, here occurs day and night. And what is revolution? Revolution means the earth orbit around the sun. The earth orbit around the sun is known as revolution. So, when completing one orbit, see here, the earth rotating means it's orbiting around the sun. It has taken the time 365 or 366 days. So, it is known as revolution. In previous part, we have completed rotation and revolution. And today's topic, day and night. You know student, the earth rotates. When earth rotates, it causes day and night. The earth rotating that and anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise means this like, but the earth rotates anti-clockwise direction. And it rotates west direction to east direction. The earth is rotates west direction to east direction. And the sun shines in the east part. See here. The sun shines in the east direction and the sun sets in the west direction. It's the sunshine. See here, sunshine in the east direction of the earth and the sunset in the west direction of the earth. And see here student, the day measures, the length of the day measures in sunshine to sunset. Sunshine to sunset, the day has measured. The length of the day has measured. And see a student, it's the sun. When, see here, the sun rays are falling to this earth. It's some different angles, they're falling their sun rays. When sun rays falling over the head, when sun rays falling over the head, the time is called, in that time is we are calling that midday. Midday means what? It's 12 noon. Midday means what student? 12 noon. And afterwards, that sun rays are means slanting. So that's onwards. The sun rays are slanting. So after in a few hours, that sun rays are dark, means darkness, that it's a dimmed. And after a few hours we have seen in the sky darkness. So that is we call that night. And again next again start rotation, that how its earth rotates, that the sun rays, the first sun rays falling towards the earth, means falling towards to the earth, so that day is calling. So that is we called what? Morning. Morning means what? The day starts that. Okay student, see here, when the earth, means when the earth is rotates, when the earth is rotating, it's also effect from the time also. It also effect from the time also. How it's affect that? See a student, in previous chapter latitude and longitudes, in that chapter we have learnt eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So we have learnt in that chapter calculating zones, calculating the time zone. So we have seen there in western hemisphere some people are doing their breakfast, and prime meridian in 0 degree, right, in prime meridian that people are doing their lunch, and the eastern hemisphere some people are doing dinner. So here we are seeing in western hemisphere is a morning session, it's a day, and prime meridian is it's an afternoon session, it's a time it changes again here, and the eastern hemisphere it's also dinner, means what? It's a night time there. See here student, the earth rotates west direction to means east direction. When it's rotating west direction to east direction, the earth's face towards to the sun. So which part, means see here, it is the eastern hemisphere. So the eastern hemisphere, it means its face towards to the sun. The sun rays are falling towards to the eastern hemisphere. So here appears, means here we are feeling day. Here occurs day. And which part is away from the sun? Which part is away from the sun? So that part occurs here night, means here it is a western hemisphere. So again some few hours changes the rotation, the earth rotation, means the western hemisphere towards to the sun. In that time in western hemisphere occurs day, and eastern hemisphere away from the sun, and in that time in eastern hemisphere occurs night. So it is the day and night. So this like also we have seen here 31st December and 1st January. When in 1st January in India, it's a morning session, and in that at the same time in USA in that day and time it changes, means it's a 31st December, means this like the earth's rotating is called, means effects from the time also, and this like occurs day and night. Okay student, see here, I hope today's topic is understood you, day and night. So you also draw it this like pictures and write it all points neatly, okay, and afterwards you are completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number. And today the topic the day and night is completed, also part 3 is completed, and next part I am continuing in next session. Thank you.